Meaning of fantastically.
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 Fantastically. Fantastically is an adverb used to describe something in an exaggerated and impressive manner. It indicates that something is done or achieved in a highly imaginative and unrealistic way, often exceeding expectations. The word suggests a sense of wonder and awe. For example, if someone says the new theme park is fantastically designed, it means that the design is remarkably excellent and beyond what was expected. Similarly, if someone describes a movie as fantastically entertaining, it implies that the movie is extremely enjoyable and entertaining to an incredible degree.